Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today I'm walking you through how to easily share your Instagram Reels to your stories. If you want to get more views, reactions and engagement, then you can easily share Reels to Instagram stories right away. First of all, open up Instagram application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're in the home page of Instagram, go ahead and scroll through the Reels until you find the one you want to feature in your story. I'm just gonna open one of my Reels over here. Simply go ahead and find the Reel you want to share on your story and then tap on the little share or the airplane icon at the bottom, and then from the menu, click on Add to Story from the bottom. Now you will be able to see the Reel on your story screen. You can now resize or reposition the Reel video on your story canvas, add stickers, text, GIFs, music or your own voiceover, and once done, you can then tap on your stories at the bottom left. Right after you do that, your Reel is now live in your story for 24 hours. To watch the story, tap on your profile icon from the home page at the top left where it says your story, and you will be able to view your story right away. You can then engage with viewers, watch the story views, reply to messages, or share viewer interactions to keep the engagement going. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.